Hello, good morning everyone. We meet again. This is a series of tutorial of becoming expert from beginner. Uh, I'll be explaining all the stat buttons and ribbons in this tutorial. So be with me and follow each of my tutorial. Otherwise, you will not be understand the buttons and their functionality because these are very small tutorials. To follow them, you have to see the previous and following tutorial. So without wasting time, let's start, friends. Previously I have explained this project taskbar of stat. Each button I have explained you. The recent file options also I have explained you. Now this help topics. This is your help content button where you can get any help topic you want to get from stat. This is your global help taskbar. If you left click on it, you will be prompted to this button. This pop-up window will appear. From here, if you see in content file, you have lots of options are there. Welcome to StatPro, select series 4 VATI option. From here you can get available design code, available structure, load specification, all the things, all the stat have or stat guides you will get here. About StatPro documentation, how you can document in stat, you can get knowledge of this after clicking here. All these things will appear here. What is new in this version, these things will also be given to you. Getting started, how you can model or this, how can do all these things, you have to go, you can also get it from here, but this will be a tedious one. You have to follow all these things from here. Technical reference, this is your technical reference. Whatever the nominal technical knowledge you need, you can also get it from here. About international design code, all the things you want to know about international design code, you can get it from here. All the helps are there, so you can get it from here also. Graphical interface of help, this is help to get graphical interface, how you model, how you apply load, all these things also you can get from here. So these all are helpful button. Stat editor help, additional modules, study application example, open stat documentation, these all things are very much helpful. If you go and click each and every button and read it, perhaps you don't require our tutorials, but this requires a lots of attention, lots of focus. You have to read everything, otherwise you will not be able to understand. So this is a tedious job. You can get all helps from here. This is your index button. You can directly type whatever the help you need. Say you want to know load, how to apply load, these things can be searched from here. There is a search button also, you can search it from also. Say if you type load and list topics, you will get the related topics over here. So these things are helpful. If you type the right keyword, you can get help from here. So this you have to basically you have to know the right keyword to get help from here. So this is all about the help content. And next button is your technical support. This is your global stat technical support button. From here you can, if you don't get any technical help from your help content, you can go to their online web server, from where you can type your query, or you can phone here. So from there also you can get technical help. But these things this actually, if you have an very rare type of technical support you need, you can go from here. Those are not available in your STAAD library. You can take help from this option also. This is product news. If you click on there, you will be prompted to STAAD's new product. What are the new products STAAD have, what are the launches, these all things will be shown to you. So this is a one type of help you can say from STAAD, but this is about new launching of new product, pricing, all these things. So this is not helpful for beginners concept. Knowledge base, this is also triggered to a online web application from where you will be direct to STAAD forum. You can raise your queries over here, you can ask anything over there, you can create blogs over there. So these things are helpful in advanced level. News is also similar thing. This is your license configuration window from where you can have you can see whatever the license you have. If you don't have any license, these buttons will be red. If you have the license, or then this button will be in green. Okay, so next we will be go to inside the STAAD environment, and we will try to explain all other functionality which will be helpful in our modeling purpose. So let them stay safe and be with me.